Hai Building Construction Industrial Technology Company Limited is a conglomerate specializing in the entire industrial chain of modular construction, encompassing research, design, production, and construction services. Subsidiaries include Zhongjiang Mindagu International Modular Building Design, Longqing Machinery Technology, Shanghai Zhupu Technology Company Limited, and Nuanzhou Housing Development Company Limited. The company has established school enterprise cooperation relationships with Tongji Universities and Shandong University of Science and Technology, leveraging technical support from research centers for in-depth collaboration. Hai Building Construction adheres to the concept of realizing universal value through technological strength, promoting sustainable development for society. Since its establishment in 2017, the company has been dedicated to modular integrated housing, wind power post-tension concrete tower, and intelligent equipment for modular construction as its main business, diversifying into various fields, including modular construction, rural revitalization, urban renewal, and wind power concrete tower new energy. Integration, intensification, and streamlining for enhanced efficiency. Utilizing mechanical design technology, the company transforms modular construction design concepts into equipment manufacturing concepts and integrates architectural engineering with mechanical engineering through BIM technology. The company's core products include intensive assembly lines, which not only offer mobility and simplicity in operation, but also provide significant cost advantages compared to traditional large-scale assembly lines, particularly suitable for project-level applications. Additionally, the company produces various types of concrete component molds, including high-precision components such as building beams, columns, municipal utility corridors, subway tunnel segments, and molds for wind power mixed towers, ensuring efficiency and reliability. Empowering national low-carbon development with technological strength. In the field of wind power concrete tower new energy, Hai Building Construction has been committed to becoming a leading global provider of integrated solutions for the design, manufacturing, and installation of concrete tower frames for wind turbine generators. It has completed the production and delivery of concrete tower sections, ranging from 120 meters to 170 meters, and has served various companies' new energy wind power installation projects, including State Energy Group, State Power Investment Corporation, China General Nuclear Power Corporation, China Electric Power Construction, and China Datang Corporation. Modular integrated construction for a better intelligent living experience. Rural villas. Each product is designed by top-grade design institutes, refined over 6 years, with each design receiving feedback and optimization from at least 1,000 customers. They incorporate over 100 health-preserving measures, such as full house non-slip surfaces, partial insulation, ultimate vacation designs, and dignified social scenes. No additional charges throughout the process, making it the most worry-free and quickest method, with delivery within 45 days. Cultural tourism products. Meeting the eager pursuit of high-quality, diversified accommodation by customers, including family camping, farm stays, luxury wilderness resorts, waterfront vacation hotels, private estates, mobile accommodations, and other cultural tourism products. Breaking the limitations of time and space, enabling instant operation, displaced mobility, and convenient efficiency. Temporary facilities. Empowering modular housing blocks with assembly equipment, providing significant assistance in off-site delivery, and cost reduction through independently developed assembly lines and universal molds. In 2020, the company successfully designed and manufactured 47 sets of modular isolation rooms for the Hoshinshan Hospital in Wuhan, fulfilling its mission satisfactorily. Urban renewal. Actively responding to government urban construction needs, improving urban landscapes, and launching various products such as public toilets, waste sorting centers, and security rooms that meet residents' living needs, receiving high recognition from the government. Overseas development. With the improvement of the company's production design and processing system, the development of PC modular components has obtained corresponding product certifications in various countries. Products have been exported abroad, with successful exports to Australia, the United States, Ireland, Malaysia, and other countries. Hybeta Construction's expansion overseas has gradually formed a 1+N synergy, using modular construction as a platform to drive multiple industries to climb the value chain of exports. Exchanging glory with time, building original aspirations with ingenuity. Pioneering a new era of intelligent living, Hybeta Construction will continue to exert efforts in the three major areas of modular integrated housing, intelligent equipment for modular construction, and new energy equipment for wind power concrete towers, to create a Chinese product-oriented service company that integrates technology research and development, equipment manufacturing, industrial production, overall delivery, and product operation and maintenance. Let us share the wisdom of a better life and a beautiful future together.